Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're meal prepping. It's a sunny day out. Got the grill going, so we're gonna cook enough stuff for the entire week or a few days, whichever comes first. It's hard to let go of good grilling, so might not be able to have too many leftovers, but we're gonna try. So sounds interesting? Hang out and show you what we got, and we'll do some more grilling. Alright y'all, I know this looks like a lot of food, but I'm meal prepping for the week. So we got some nice bone-in ribeye steaks. We got some chicken breasts that I've sliced up into nice strips. We got some pork country ribs here. And of course we got a couple portobello mushrooms here. Now to prep the portobellos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray them with a little bit of cooking spray on both sides. When I get it out to the grill, I'll spray the other side. And then for the steaks, we're going to start out with some granulated garlic. You can't be too shy with the garlic, as I always say. Oh yeah. Got that there. We're going to do a little pink Himalayan salt on them. Not a whole lot, just enough. We're going to put a little bit of salt on the chicken. And we're going to put some onion powder on it, on the steaks and the chicken. Oh yeah. You can't get too heavy on the onion powder either. At least not in my book. We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder on, or onion powder on there too, on that chicken. Now, the short ribs we're going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's on it, and we might do a little bit of the chicken in the Sweet Baby Ray's too. Don't know yet, but we're going to do it over the charcoal grill. So I'm going to go get that fired up and get it ready, and when it's ready, we'll bring you back and we'll do some cooking. All right, y'all. Coals are ready, so I did go ahead and make up a foil pack of red skin potatoes. We're going to throw those up on the top rack. So we're going to get our pork on here. Whew. Almost dumped it. We'll get our chicken on here. Alright, and I'm going to throw these mushroom caps up on the top to get them cooking also. They won't take that long, but up on that top rack they'll be fine. So get these things are cooking, and once they get done a little bit, we'll bring the steaks out, we'll throw them on, and slather some barbecue sauce on some of this stuff too. So y'all hang out, and we'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, time to check this chicken and this pork. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's coming along. Oh yeah. I mean, it ain't nowhere near being done yet, but it is browning up nicely. Oh yeah. Flip this pork over here too and see how she's doing. Oh, they're doing great. Oh yeah. Nice and low and slow. Oh yeah. That stuff's cooking up really, really nice, y'all. So I'm gonna close the lid. We're gonna let her cook up for a little bit longer. We'll get a little further along. We'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Give us a little adjustment here. Ooh, she smells delicious, y'all. Oh yeah, coming along nicely. That chicken's browning up beautifully. One of these days, y'all, when I get like huge YouTube famous, I'm gonna have to have a really big get together, and we'll have to do a big old barbecue. Oh yeah. I'll bring these all forward a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can't throw those steaks across the back there. Sorry about the mower noise. Alright, got them steaks on there now. Close this up and we'll let them cook away here. Alright, y'all, it's really hot out here, so we're going to go ahead and do the beverage of the day. This is that crisp pineapple soda. Really good on a really hot day. Love it. Y'all need to get yourself some and try it. I get it at Save-A-Lot, so there's your beverage of the day, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's give us another look here. Oh, everything's looking delicious, as always. Oh yeah, that chicken's done. I done checked it a little bit ago with an instant read thermometer, and it was all real close to temperature. You know, within just a couple of degrees. So I know that chicken's done. I'm gonna flip these things over here one more time, and they're looking delicious. I'm gonna move my chicken up here. We're gonna bring this foil pack down here, lay it across that side there. We're gonna flip these country ribs, and they're even looking delicious too. They've got a little ways to go yet. They're only at about 140, 150 degrees. Let's flip our steaks here and see what they're looking like. Ooh, they're looking good too. Looking good too. I'm telling you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Let these cook a little bit longer, and we'll see how they turn out. Alright, y'all, we're going to use the instant read here. Check these again. That one's at 185. That one's about 162. About 160. About 155. Yeah, about 155. About 160. So I'm going to take this center one, move it out to the outside, and move these other ones in to where the heat's a little bit better. So all right, close the lid and we'll keep the cooking. All right, y'all, I just checked these. All the pork chops are up to a nice safe eating temperature, so we're going to go ahead and slather on some Sweet Baby Ray's. Get that cooked on there. It's not always that I put barbecue sauce on my stuff, but I've been eating for a little bit of barbecue, so we're gonna do her up here. And not that I'm against, putting barbecue sauce on anything. It's just I prefer a dry rub on my stuff. But every once in a while, like I said, I do crave some barbecue sauce on some stuff. So you know what? We're gonna move a couple pieces of chicken over here too. We're gonna do them up. Just a little bit of the barbecue sauce, just because. All right, there's that. Close the lid, let that bake on there, and when we're ready to do the other side, we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all. I think it's time to flip these things over and juice up the other side there. Flip these steaks over too. All right, let's juice these side of these country ribs up. Oh yeah, them sauced all up. Look at that. All right. Well, I know our taters are probably done. I know our mushrooms are done. Guess we can flip this chicken over and do the other side of it too. Get it done up. My little brush here. Oh yeah. Need to add just a hair more to that one. Oh yeah. Oh. Y'all, the smell of this. Yummy, yum, yum. So, alright. I'm going to close this up. We're going to cook a little longer. And then, hopefully, we're going to eat. Alright, y'all. Oh, I think everything is done besides them steaks. So I'm going to pull these chops off, or country ribs, I'm sorry. I'm going to pull these country ribs. We're going to go ahead and pull this chicken off here too. I know it's done. I'm going to flip our pack here, and then we're going to pull these steaks up here towards the center more. Try to get a little bit of char on the outside of them. All right, I'm going to take this stuff in the house, and we'll bring you guys back when we finally get everything else cooked. All right, y'all. Them steaks are done. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. Look at that. Them are beautiful. Beautiful ribeyes. Oh my my. Oh yeah. Oh my my. Oh hell yeah. Got our mushrooms there. We got our foil pack. Our potatoes in her. Alright. Take this stuff in the house and we'll get a plate set up and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all. Got everything on one plate here. We got our chicken here. We got our country rib. Our grilled mushroom, which I sliced up. That steak, you guys probably can't see it. There's just a nice little bit of pink right down that middle. And we got our foil packed potato, red skin potatoes there. That looks delicious. It smells even better. So I'm going to turn the camera around so y'all can watch me eat. So y'all hang out for a second and we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, there you have it. Meal prepped for a week. So I'm going to try a little bit of each one of these. I'm going to start out with that steak. It just looks so good. Ooh. Oh, that's heaven. Tender, juicy. And we're going to have one of these mushrooms here. Nothing better than a nice grilled portobello. I love them. Got some tater here. Foil pack is the way to go cooking them taters. A little bit of butter, garlic, teeny bit of salt, some pepper, a lot of butter. That's the way to cook them on the grill. Now, there's the country rib. Heaven. I don't know what's better, that steak or that country rib. That barbecue sauce is hitting the spot, I'm telling y'all. We'll finish it off with a little piece of chicken here. Even that chicken's delicious. Wow. Y'all, like I said, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we may have a big old party. I may do y'all some barbecue and some cooking. No promises, but, you know, 10,000 is a lot. We only hit 2,000, so got a few more years probably. We'll probably make it happen. So, anyways, thanks for hanging out with me here in the kitchen while we're out barbecuing, because we weren't really technically in the kitchen for very long, just enough to prep and eat. So, appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, that little bell icon over there. Give it a little ring. Get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out barbecuing, in the shop, fixing, working on stuff, working on the pulling tractors, and when we go to the polls. Appreciate y'all, and don't forget about the Sunday live streams too. That's Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, and we have a good time. So, again, as always, appreciate you watching. Hope you guys are gonna, try some of this stuff that I'm cooking. And as always, bon appetit.